Elite Nest by Hulala Home isn't just a recliner, it's a mission control center built for those who take their downtime seriously. Equipped with a detachable mini fridge that holds up to 40 cans, your drinks stay cold and close at hand. The dual-motor power recline lets you adjust the headrest and footrest separately for max comfort, while the built-in Bluetooth audio system surrounds you in cinematic sound. Wireless charging, a generously sized 3.27-inch cup holder, and modular configuration add practical luxury to every angle. With 69 liters of concealed storage, Elite Nest keeps your man cave clutter-free yet fully stocked. Its 360-degree adjustable reading light lets you dial in the vibe for every moment. Whether you're gaming, binge-watching, or unwinding with a book. Wrapped in water-resistant upholstery, this recliner handles spills with ease while offering high durability. Gliding into virtual space feels effortless with this silk-like VR glove tailored for SteamVR users. Weighing just 1.6 ounces, this glove blends ultra-light softness with advanced control. Designed for immersive platforms like VR Chat, it captures 42 points of angular motion, enabling precise finger articulation and lifelike gestures. Its embedded Hall effect joystick ensures drift-free navigation, while the responsive A/B buttons provide reliable input at your fingertips. Haptic feedback enhances the experience by delivering tactile sensations during interaction. The gesture, trigger, and grip functions mirror natural hand movements, deepening realism without requiring external controllers. The glove's washable material maintains hygiene without sacrificing its silk-like texture, ideal for extended use. Built to merge comfort with capability, it feels like a second skin while offering professional-level tracking and control. Cool evenings call for a clean, efficient flame, and the Disco Fire Pit delivers just that. Built for those who crave heat without the mess, this smokeless fire pit blends rugged function with modern design. Crafted from durable stainless steel and grounded by aluminum alloy feet. It's a tough companion for patios, backyards, or remote campsites. The jet engine-inspired profile and strategic air vents generate a mesmerizing vortex effect, making every fire not just warm, but visually captivating. Whether you're roasting marshmallows or soaking in the ambience, this pit burns clean and steady without smog or sparks. Choose from 2 practical sizes and bundle options for multi-zone warmth. The Disco Fire Pit packs performance into a portable frame, perfect for stowing in the trunk or tucking beside your outdoor gear. Snowcap redefines cold plunge recovery with its cutting-edge, all-in-one water-cooling lid. Built for athletes and wellness enthusiasts alike, Snowcap maintains a consistently chilled environment, dropping water temperatures to below 40 degrees Fahrenheit without relying on ice or external chillers. Its durable construction and quick installation make it ideal for daily use, offering precision temperature control that enhances every plunge. Whether you're targeting muscle recovery, mental clarity, or metabolic boosts. Snowcap delivers results with clean, quiet efficiency. By replacing complicated cooling systems with a sleek, integrated solution, it simplifies your routine while maximizing benefits. Designed to fit standard plunge tubs, it creates an airtight seal that helps retain cold while continuously circulating water for uniform cooling. Transform any space with bold, seamless illumination using the Neco Space Orchard magnetic modular lighting system. Built for customization, it includes over 8 magnetic modular units, giving you full creative control to shape your lighting environment. Whether you're enhancing a workspace or elevating home decor, each module attaches effortlessly to the 24-volt safe dual magnetic tracks. Enjoy unmatched versatility with 360-degree lighting flexibility, allowing you to direct light exactly where it's needed. The system's durable aluminum alloy construction adds a refined industrial touch while ensuring longevity and heat resistance. Easy to install and even easier to adjust, this setup makes reconfiguring your lighting as simple as snapping pieces into place. Perfect for designers, creators, or anyone who values both function and form, Neco Space Orchard brings smart design and efficient lighting together in one modular solution. Unleash creative potential without the clutter of multiple devices. The Leini PixCut S1 merges three essential tools: printer, laminator, and cutter into a single compact powerhouse. With its patented print laminate cut automation, you can turn a single sheet of paper into a durable, waterproof sticker in under 2 minutes. No manual feeding, no machine swaps, just load your design and let the PixCut S1 do the rest. Thanks to built-in AI image extraction, the learning curve disappears. Upload any photo or doodle, and the system intelligently removes backgrounds, creates cut lines, and delivers professional-looking results without design software. Whether you're a parent labeling lunchboxes or an artist launching a sticker shop, the PixCut S1 empowers you to craft with confidence. Producing crisp 300 dot-per-inch images in over 16.7 million colors, each print emerges laminated, fade-proof, and scratch-resistant. Power your devices with unmatched precision and versatility using the Sharky X 3-in-1 magnetic power bank. Built with an advanced dual magnetic design, it securely snaps onto compatible phones, smartwatches, and earbuds for effortless charging, no cables required. The ultra-strong magnetic force ensures a stable connection even while you're on the move. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this compact unit delivers multiple charges in one go. Whether you're topping off your phone or giving your earbuds a boost, the fast-charging technology gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Engineered with 8 safety features including overvoltage and temperature protection, the Sharky X safeguards your devices and itself under all conditions. Shaped with intent and engineered for precision, the Knife Zeno stands as a striking evolution in modern folding knife design. World-renowned knife maker Ken Onion took inspiration from the sharp, geometric style of the Olight Arcfeld flashlight, trading soft curves for purposeful, linear architecture. The result is a bold, industrial statement piece that slices through tradition just as cleanly as it does materials. Every angle of the Zeno reflects thoughtful design, from the machined aluminum handle to the smooth, assisted flipper action. After extensive prototyping through 3D printing and rounds of real-world testing, this final version preserves the exact vision first imagined. No compromise on form or function. At just under 4.5 inches closed and weighing approximately 3.8 ounces, it's the perfect balance of carry comfort and cutting power. Gone are the days of awkward setups and clunky gear. The Lawn Chariot transforms how you approach outdoor lounging and gear hauling with a smart, compact design that moves when you do. With its fold-and-go structure, this versatile tool adapts to your needs. Built for portability, it folds down fast and fits neatly in your trunk. As a wagon, it hauls coolers, chairs, and more across grass, sand, or pavement with ease. When it's time to relax, flip it into a sturdy, ergonomic chair designed for comfort without compromise. At just under 28 pounds, it's light enough for one-person carry, yet strong enough to support your full setup. Quick setup, smooth transport, and a reliable frame make the Lawn Chariot a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts who don't want to sacrifice comfort or convenience. The Carbon AI LED backpack merges technology with practicality, offering a unique blend of style and functionality. Equipped with customizable LED displays, users can express themselves by showcasing personalized messages or animations, powered by advanced AI technology. Ideal for content creators, professionals, and daily commuters, this backpack brings innovation to your routine. The sleek and modern design features a comfortable, ergonomic fit, while the integration of open AI technology ensures smart features that enhance convenience and security. Whether you're traveling, working, or making a statement, the Carbon AI LED backpack elevates your carry experience with futuristic capabilities. It's the perfect solution for those looking to combine cutting-edge technology with everyday use, offering versatility and efficiency in one stylish package. Experience seamless functionality with the pen's innovative design. The magnetic quick-release cap provides an effortless, one-handed operation that ensures you're always ready to write. No twists, no fuss, just a simple pull and snap, making every use smooth and satisfying. Crafted with precision, the pen offers a premium feel, enhanced by the high-grade magnets that ensure the cap always aligns perfectly with a distinct and reassuring snap. Its ergonomically designed shape fits comfortably in your hand, creating a writing tool that's as pleasurable to hold as it is to use. Made from carbon fiber and titanium, the pen is built for durability. These materials, revered in industries like aerospace and automotive, provide exceptional strength while maintaining a sleek and stylish appearance. The Drive ID 9 is the perfect blend of technology and family care, offering an innovative solution for modern families on the move. This advanced system combines a high-performance dashcam with an integrated baby monitor, providing comprehensive monitoring both inside and outside the vehicle. With 4K UHD multi-channel recording, every detail is captured with exceptional clarity. Its intelligent parking mode ensures peace of mind when the car is unattended, while the wide-angle lenses offer a complete view of the surroundings. The baby care feature is particularly designed to give parents a seamless experience. Equipped with a high-definition camera, it allows parents to monitor their baby in real time with voice control, ensuring a hands-free experience. The Drive ID 9 is built to provide security and convenience, prioritizing both safe driving and keeping a watchful eye on loved ones in the back seat. The PoolGuard S is an advanced pool security solution designed to offer peace of mind with its sophisticated features. Equipped with a quadruple alert system, it effectively detects unusual activity around your pool area, ensuring prompt notifications for immediate action. The integrated security AI camera enhances its capabilities, offering real-time monitoring to keep you informed of any potential threats. With automatic activation mode, the system powers up as soon as it's needed, reducing the hassle of manual operation. Furthermore, the solar charging feature ensures that the device stays powered without the need for frequent recharging, making it both eco-friendly and efficient. Installation is simple, with no need for complicated setups, so you can start safeguarding your pool right away. The Schegel Intelligent Bird Feeder System brings a new level of innovation to birdwatching. Designed for nature enthusiasts, this advanced feeder combines state-of-the-art features to create a seamless, user-friendly experience. With its squirrel-proof design, the system ensures that only birds can access the food, while keeping pesky animals at bay. It also boasts a leak-proof and ant and bee-proof structure, making it highly durable and low maintenance. The bird bath is equipped with an advanced filtration and recycling system, ensuring clean, fresh water for birds at all times. The 4K HD plus AI bird recognition technology allows for precise identification of different bird species, enriching the bird watching experience. Additionally, the 360-degree adjustable feeder stand gives you full control over positioning, allowing you to customize your setup for maximum bird attraction. Banala Focus Dot offers a revolutionary approach to mental clarity and productivity. By utilizing advanced isochronic sound technology, this device helps to sharpen focus, boost concentration, and unlock your potential. Its powerful sound frequencies work seamlessly to enhance cognitive function, ensuring you remain in a highly productive state for longer periods. The device's compact design ensures portability, making it easy to integrate into your daily routine. Whether you're working, studying, or meditating, the Banala Focus Dot creates the optimal environment to maintain a state of deep concentration. With consistent use, it helps you develop a powerful flow state, making tasks seem effortless and productive. Mastering the piano is now within reach for anyone, regardless of experience. Gone are the days when learning required years of formal lessons or an expensive teacher. Today, you can quickly become proficient with smart accompaniment through an intuitive app that helps you play effortlessly, even with just one hand. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some knowledge, this innovative method allows you to play complex piano pieces with ease. In just 3 minutes, you'll be ready to play with both hands, unlocking a world of music that was once intimidating. With this approach, learning is streamlined, fun, and entirely stress-free, putting beautiful music at your fingertips faster than ever before. Forget the overwhelming technicalities of traditional methods and embrace an enjoyable, modern way to learn piano. When shadows fall and streets darken, Flector 360 steps in with unmatched brilliance. This award-winning bike reflector brings 360-degree visibility to your wheels, turning your spokes into safety shields that shine under any beam. At just 0.03, 5 ounces per reflector and engineered to wrap snugly around any standard spoke, the Flector 360 doesn't compromise speed or performance. With its aerodynamic shape and ultralight design, it adds no drag, but delivers maximum visibility from every angle. Rain, mud, or nightfall, none can hide you when these micro-prismatic reflectors catch the light. Whether commuting through city traffic or coasting along country roads, Flector 360 ensures you're never just a shadow in the dark. Slide into seamless control without touching your screen. This refined, open-ended smart ring adapts to every finger, no matter the size. Say goodbye to rigid rings and hello to comfort engineered for all-day wear. Whether your fingers swell after a workout or shrink in cold weather, this elastic design ensures a snug, stable fit. More than just a ring, it's a gesture-powered command center. Scroll through ebooks, adjust volume like short videos, or flip through presentation slides without reaching for your phone. Need to change tracks or check comments? A quick tap does the trick. Ideal for content creators, teachers, and presenters alike. And when you're not wearing it, the multifunctional charging case doubles as a sturdy phone holder. In your hand lies more than just a tool. It's a studio, a tripod, a stabilizer, and a grip. Multipod transforms the way you capture moments, whether you're hiking rugged trails or shooting in your backyard. Built to be ultra-compact at just 5.5 inches when folded, it easily fits in your pocket or small pouch, yet extends smoothly to over 10 inches for perfect reach and angle. With a single twist, switch between handheld grip, tripod, and selfie stick, no need to carry extra gear. Engineered from lightweight aluminum and strong polymers, it's tough enough for adventure yet light enough for all-day shoots. The 1/4-inch universal screw and adjustable phone holder support smartphones and action cams securely. When you're chasing the perfect frame, adaptability matters. Snappy is the modular mobile gimbal that gives your smartphone the agility of a pro-level camera rig. Whether you're walking, panning, or pivoting through complex angles, Snappy keeps your shot fluid, stable, and strikingly cinematic. It's engineered to move with you, not against you. Switch from landscape to portrait in one smooth motion using Snappy's intuitive one-touch button. Designed for creators who move fast, this smart control ensures your framing stays flawless across all content formats, whether you're filming reels, vlogging, or capturing sweeping vistas. The gimbal's fast, frictionless transition lets you stay immersed in the moment while keeping your visuals crisp. With its responsive toggle, jumping between photo and video modes happens in a heartbeat.